Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to learn how to assign products to your store, step by step. So let's get started. First, open your dashboard and click on Products, then go to Product List. Here, you'll find a whole collection of products available for your store. Choose the one you want and click on Assign to your store. Once you click, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can add your own price and sale price. You'll also see multiple pricing options, like offer price and bundle price. If you pick bundle price, you can set it as open, which means it'll stay active all the time, or set a duration, which makes it active only for a specific time period. When that duration ends, the product automatically goes back to its original price. After you've set everything, just click Assign, and your product will be successfully added to your store. Now go back to your dashboard and click on My Products. Here, you'll see the list of all products you've assigned, with your pricing applied. You can easily enable or disable products, mark them as active or inactive, choose their category and subcategory, and even edit prices or update the listing with your own details whenever you want. Now, how to add your own product to your store. Click on the Add My Product button. Here you'll see the product information section. Next, select the right category for your product. Pick a subcategory, or SKU. Click Upload Image. Now, select your product color and size. If your item comes in multiple colors, click Add More Colors to include all of them. Once everything looks good, click Save. Now, let's take a look. All your products are live and visible in your store.